Imagine if your old blurry or AI generated images could suddenly look like this. This tool literally brings your photos back to life with just one click. Today I'm diving into Aiarty Image Enhancer, an AI-powered tool that uses smart models like More Detail GAN v3, which generates more details, more clarity and more sharpness, better skin and hair, better perpetual quality. AIGC Smooth v3 to fix blurry faces, enhance fine details, remove noise and even restore missing features in AI art. Real Photo v3, which is specially used for photo restoration, better fidelity, more clarity and restore originals. Face Restoration, which restores facial details while removing common imperfections such as blemishes, acne, redness, freckles, blurriness and grain. Whether it's a vintage photo, a noisy portrait or an over-smoothed AI-generated image, Aiarty has a fix for it. Today I'm showing you an insane tool called Aiarty Image Enhancer that fixes your worst photos, even AI-generated ones, like a pro. Let me show you what makes this tool next level. Now we are inside the Aiarty Image Enhancer interface, and trust me, it's super easy to use. On the right side, you'll see the hardware section where you can choose your graphics processor to speed things up. Right below that, you'll find different AI models, each designed to enhance different types of images, whether it's AI generated images, cartoons, portraits, landscape or old photos. Then comes the upscale settings, where you can boost your image resolution all the way up to 32K. One of the coolest features is 2-pass processing. This lets you apply 2 different AI models on a single image at the same time for even better results. And of course, it includes one of the most powerful tools, Face Restoration, perfect for bringing back the natural look in your old or low quality photo. Finally, you've got your export settings and export button to save your enhanced masterpiece. Now let's upload the image. Take a look at this picture. It's super blurry, old and pretty much unusable. The details are completely lost. You can't even see the face properly. Now the big question is, can Aiarty Image Enhancer actually fix this? Let's find out. First, let's switch the hardware to NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4080 for the best and fastest performance. Next, in the AI model section, I'm selecting Real Photo v3, great for enhancing old or real life images. For the upscale setting, I'm going with 2x upscale. That's enough to bring back clarity without overdoing it. Now I'm enabling 2-pass processing, and for the second model I'm choosing More Detail GAN v3. This adds extra texture and depth to the final result. And finally, the most important step for an image like this, Face Restoration. I'm going with the Routine Overlay option, which is excellent for recovering facial features. Let's hit Start Processing. And boom! Just look at that. This isn't just some basic filter, it's like giving your old photo a second life. Honestly, I'm seriously impressed. Let's zoom in and take a closer look. There was literally nothing before, everything was just a blur. And now, Aiarty has somehow built a full, detailed face from what was basically just a guess. And this looks about 99% accurate. Insane, right? Once you're happy with the results, just head over to the export settings. Here you can choose the format, DPI, quality and choose your output path to wherever you want the file to be saved. And that's it. Just hit this one export button and you are done. Simple as that. Alright, this time let's upload an animal picture. As you can see, the image is a bit blurry and the quality isn't great. Let's find out if this tool can actually make it better. I'm choosing the Real Photo v3 AI model again, setting the upscale to 2x, and for 2-pass processing, I'm going with More Detail GAN v3. Now let's just hit Start Processing. And there you freaking have it. All the details are back, even the dog's fur is sharp and clear now. Not just for people, this tool enhances animals too. Isn't that fascinating? Now let's upload another picture. As you can see, this one is low quality, full of grains and the resolution is super pixelated. All you have to do is select the Real Photo v3 AI model, set the resolution to 2x upscale, enable 2-pass processing and choose More Detail GAN v3. This time we are skipping Face Restoration because it might smooth out important skin textures like acne, and we want to keep it natural. Now just hit Start button and wow! This is a mind-blowing transformation. It enhanced the image, brought back so much detail, and the best part, it doesn't look like AI generated at all. Look at her eyes, it's sharp, clear and feels like it was taken on a high-end camera. Even the hair, which was just a blur before, now has real texture and details. And finally, let's upload one more image, this time with a blurry face. Now depending on your image, you can adjust the setting to your needs. And just look at that, the face was completely blurred out, like someone wiped it clean. But Aiarty Image Enhancer didn't just sharpen it randomly, it actually reconstructed the face so accurately it looks exactly like it did before the blur ever happened. This isn't just enhancement, it's like time travel, but for your photos. Aiarty Image Enhancer is seriously next level. It understands what should be there and brings it back in a way that feels real, detailed and true to the originals. If you work with old, damaged or low quality photos, or even if you're just trying to fix a blurry shot, this tool is a total game changer.
And the best part, you don't have to take his word for it. You can try Aiarty Image Enhancer yourself. There is a free trial download link waiting for you in the description below, so you can test it out with your own photos. Plus, limited time offer, you will get a special discount on the pro version if you decide to upgrade. Seriously, if you deal with blurry, low quality or old images even once in a while, this tool is 100% worth it. Go check it out now, links are in the description. I hope you liked this video. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video.